Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to download Instagram Reels videos on your mobile phone, in Android phone. The first thing you need to do is to go straight to your Instagram application on your mobile phone. Find that particular Instagram Reels video you want to download. And for this tutorial, we are going to download this Instagram Reel video right now. The first thing we need to do is to click on this three dots right here on the screen. Click on it and copy the link of the video, which is the fourth option right here. We're going to copy the link of this Instagram Reels video, and we are going to use an application to download this particular Instagram Reels video. And this application is called Snaptic No Watermark 2022. It is available on Google website. You can search for this application on Google to download this application. The link we copied from Instagram will be updated on this application. This is the video we copied from Instagram. We are going to click on download. And after this ads, our video will be done. Just click on the cancel icon.
Look what I got you. Look.
And this is the video right here. We already have the video without watermark, without anything. The video is here, fresh and clean. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more of those videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.